How to hide notes on Instagram. Instagram Notes is a feature that allows users to share brief thoughts, updates, or announcements with their followers directly through direct messages. But if you wish to hide it from your friends or followers on Instagram, do watch the video till the end. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Open Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log in or sign in to your account. Tap on the chat icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now on the chat section, select your note at the top left corner of the screen. You can again leave a new note or delete the note that you have previously added on Instagram. Let's tap on leave a new note and add a new one. You can customize it by adding picture or music. Once done, at the bottom you will see option for share with close friends. Tap on the arrow and you need to select the close friends instead of followers you follow back. Once done, add people to the close friends and select the one whom you want to show your notes on Instagram. Tap on the done button and tap on done again at the top right corner of the screen. Once done, select the share button and the notes will be shared to your Instagram, but only one of your friends will be able to see it on Instagram. If you wish to hide it from your particular friends or everyone on Instagram, let's get back from this page and select the profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select the three-line icon at the top right corner to access your settings and activity page. Scroll down and select Hide Story and Live. Now choose the same person whom you have kept on Close Friends and select that particular close friend. Now tap on the down button at the top right corner of the screen and that's it. That's how we easily hide notes on Instagram from everyone. I hope this video worked. If this worked, hit the like button, share, comment and subscribe to our channel for more tech and tips.